Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Wednesday, we saw a catch-up rally in our markets, even though US markets were flat and Asian markets were weak. We saw spectacular gains, and it was mainly due to extraordinary moves by HDFC twins and FMCG companies. Today, globally equity markets are down with minor losses, but macros are in favor of emerging markets. The dollar index is still at 102 and the 10-year bond yield is at 3.30. Now, if we see the overall setup for our market, then we saw the market were like closing above the levels of 17,500, which is positive. It was very close to the levels of 17,600, where the market is having huge amount of resistance. Above that, the chances of hitting 17,800 would turn bright, which is the previous highest level for the market. And if we go through with the US markets, then the market has already broken the previous immediate highest level. So maybe we are also in the same process of crossing the same, but yes, at these levels we are expecting some correction. Minor pullback toward 17,400 is not ruled out, and today it's a day of weekly expiry as well as RBI's decision is also going to come on the interest rate. So that will keep the market little bit volatile. In case if we see any correction during the day, then close to 17,450, 400 we should be a buyer in the market with a stop loss at 17,300. We are expecting market to move towards the levels of 17,600 or maybe 650 in the near term, and in the long run it may even cross the levels of 17,800 if we see the market is sustaining above the mark of 17,600. But in case if we see the markets are closing today below 17,400, then the chances of further more weakness is not ruled out. For the bank Nifty, 40,700, 750 is the level to take some contra bets, and on the higher side 41,150, 41,300 are the levels where we can expect some resistance. So there also the strategy should be to buy, but specifically if we see any rally in the bank sector or in bank Nifty, then we can take some bullish calls or buying trades on PSU banks. Finally, apart from these BFSI sector, if we focus on any other sector, then IT companies should do well, but there we are focusing more on the mid-cap IT companies, which have fallen badly in the past, but now they are forming some interesting formations. Most of them are forming higher bottom formations, which is positive. And yesterday we saw good amount of buying attraction in almost all the companies like Coforge, LTIM, LTTS, Sonata Softwares, KPIT. They recovered very well from their lows. So there we need to keep a watch if there is any correction. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.